My name is Wyatt, and today I'm going to show you how I started building my 3D pin art audio visualizer within Google AI Studio in just 3 prompts or less. That's right, it sounds harder than it really is, but I'll guide you through it, and you should have a working prototype you can export and keep working on yourself. To get started, you need a Google account. You're going to come to Google AI Studio, and here on the left, you have the playground and the build section. Today we'll be working inside the build section. I'm going to start by giving it the exact prompt that created the demo you saw earlier. So just paste it here or create your own and click build. It'll start getting to work creating your app instantly. As you can see, it did a great job completing step 1. It gives you its thinking history along with a summary of what it implemented. So the next step being, we want it visually reactive to audio. We're going to give it this prompt here that will make it react to microphone input. So that's it, 2 prompts in and you already have a working prototype. Lastly, we just need to iterate upon this to fix bugs, add features, and make this project even better. Here, we're going to tell it to increase the audio reactivity and give it the ability to change color dynamically based on the audio input. Finally, you can see it is more reactive. If you think it needs more work, this is where you fine-tune and re-engineer your prompts until it's something you're happy with. Up until now, we've been working in the preview section, where AI Studio gives you the ability to build and iterate rapid prototypes quickly and easily. You may find that you need a model with higher thinking or computing power to bring your project further. That is where you have the code editor. You can now come over here and download your project as a zip file to export it. I've now shown you how to build a basic prototype and export it to continue developing in whatever tools you like. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It lets me know you want to see more videos like this. If you have any questions, ideas, run into any problems while building yours, leave a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching. Peace.